McKay on the bass from Kendall Gardens, Alabama. I bet y'all thought nobody from Petersville, Alabama can do that. He's the only